so fab. Noong una nakita kita, sabi ko parang, ito na yung perfect flamenco emoji na nakita ko in real life.
Red.
Yan ba yung peg natin today?
Yes, very summer, very light, very date night.
But also striking and stunning as well. Please take a seat, Belle. And we want to just ask you, before we get into how you created this collection and everything with Shein, ano po ang summer style para sa'yo?
Summer for me, I think diba, when we hear the word summer, unang maisip natin colors.
Yes.
Vibrant. So I think this is the best season for us to explore, different hues, different shades, different textures, everything. So summer is very light and comforting.
Ang ganda nun, kasi sinabi mo yung mga different colors, different textures.
Yes.
It also reminds me of how you are. You're so bubbly, you're so fun. And I feel like that is, for me, nung nakita ko yung preview ng collection, sabi ko, ay parang super, it's your personality.
Very
coming out.
bad.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's what I love about Shein and fashion in general. Kasi ang galing kasi you get to play around with looks. I think that's the best way to express yourself too, right? It's so nice kasi
Yes.
we get to play around with these things like, okay, if ako I'm feeling like I wanna be a clean girl or gusto kong mag-full glam, hello. Diba? It's all on Shein.
Tsaka maganda na when I saw the pieces, you could really dress up and down. And like you mentioned nga, parang I think from your answer yung nakukuha ko is, do you dress up according to your mood para
Yes.
that day?
Kayo ba ganun din ba kayo? You dress up according to your mood? Hi! Ganun tayo.
So maganda na we can see that in the collection. Pero syempre enough to, I want to bring yung expert talaga to be
Yes.
able to bring out ano ba yung ginawa ninyo with this collection. So I hope everybody can really give us a big warm of applause for somebody who is the editor-of-chief of Metro Magazine and Metro Style. Let's bring here Miss Jolette Esguerra. Miss Jolette, welcome. Thank you so much for coming in here. Yes. I'm so excited, Miss Jolette, kasi I really want you, and we always check out your features and your style features, and we want to know, in your own words, paano mo pa yung first impression mo with this collection, now that knowing that you are here to style, be the first person to style it.
That's right, yeah. And I'm also so excited to actually touch the clothes. And can I just say, Mel, congratulations on this collection. It's so fresh, it's very expressive, and it's very you.
I think that's what we really want to express today then po. And I know you put a lot of yourself into it. So ngayon, makikipag-introduce tayo sa Shein Style Studio. So we have that over here, Miss Jolette. And we're gonna get into different looks. Kasi Belle, you mentioned na you want different vibes. And we have 3 separate vibes na feeling mo ikaw din. And the first one is going to be casual chic.
Yes, that's what should be.
So go ahead, Miss Jolette and Miss Belle.
So, ayan, nandito naman tayo, di ba? Hi po, hello po dyan sa taas. Hello po. So this one is called the casual chic. I feel like this is perfect for everyday outfit. And this is what I'll dress up to if I wanna go out. Kunyari, ikot na ako dito around market or sa BBC. Ito ang susuotin natin. And what I actually like about this look is that it's fun, but at the same time it's very versatile. So you can add like a denim jacket or layer with like accessories like a necklace and so on. And you can play around with shoes, so it depends on where you want to go. That's very comfortable din siya. Should we add?
Yes, if you're gonna add shoes or bags, what would you accessorize with it?
I feel like it would be this one. That's
Ooh.
one. So you can take it from brunch, brunch to our dinner. You can play around.
So we got these gold shoes on, and then we're gonna have this super cute wide bag here. that's a little slouchy, para hindi masyadong structured. I love it.
And you know, I think one thing with fashion too that I really noticed is the details. Like, can you see if there's, like, you can see here my gold, i-match natin siya sa shoe.
We don't mix hardware here, girl.
Yes, so kailangan i-match natin siya para mukhang put together talaga. But also at the same time, if you wanna look laid back, diba,
Yes.
mas punta tayo naman sa really structured talaga.
Tama ka dyan. And I love the bows here on your top, but also meron na tayong bows sa shoe. So it's a little details.
So there, so you can really play around with the look. If it gets cold, also you can bring your denim jacket.
Yes, I love the bow here.
Ayan. So casual chic look done. We're gonna move on to our second look. Ano po yung second look natin, Miss Jolette?
Parang kayo pang kay Miss Jolette nga ito, diba?
This is actually my favorite.
Yes,
Boss babe.
that's true, diba? I feel like this is one of my favorites too, actually. Like, one of my favorites sa collection. Kasi it's so nice na parang sobrang
Put together.
put together,
Yes.
diba? But at the same time, you look so fashionable. Even if you're out and about and busy, put together ka pa rin, ang ganda 24/7. So this is one of my favorites.
So it's a really strong look, but at the same time, it's feminine. Diba?
Yes.
There's a fun element to it. So strong, structured, you can wear it to the boardroom, you can wear it to meetings, it means power. Or you could wear it when you want to make content.
Yeah, actually, you can wear, and like, you can wear sneakers with this outfit. Like, white
I agree.
sneakers. If you wanna look parang medyo playful naman. Ganon. And I think it would go really well with red lipstick. Kasi, ano siya, medyo monochromatic yung colors. Like, two tones lang siya.
Yes.
Like, white and black lang. So, it would be really nice.
It's also very easy color. And feeling ko with this type of outfit, even if I'm feeling not so good that day, if I put this on, parang switch mood na ako. Very,
Yes.
let's go and do this. Kaya boss babe ang look natin.
That's
ito.
true.
That's right. And so when you wear this, it looks like you're in charge, and you feel that way also.
And
you
since
can
I'm in
conquer the day.
Correct. And since in charge tayo, ano po yung in charge na accessories din natin with this look? You said red lip though. So,
Yes.
paano yung accessories natin?
Okay, so we'll stick with this. What do you think? This
Oh,
is?
yes. I love that.
Yes.
I love that.
It will go really well with
Flowers,
this.
yes.
And then for our bag, we can go, of course, for the red bag. Diba?
Yes.
Para mag-match sa red lips.
Para may certain pop tayo.
So may element of playfulness also.
I love that. So para titingin sila sa lips and sa bag din. I really love the dichotomy of everything. The playful, but also serious, tapos basic, but not so basic.
Diba? You're really put together.
I love that. And finally, we're moving on to our final look in the style studio over here. This theme, ano yung theme natin na to?
Well, this
Parang
is
familiar.
Who wore it better? Who wore it better?
Twinning.
This is our date night out.
Yes, this is the date night. Sorry, I'll move it. Date night outfit. This is like, it's so nice kasi it's so, when I wore this, when I wear it
Yes.
now, it's so comfortable to wear. Like, it's the perfect dress to feel confident. But at the same time, comfortable. So, ang ganda niyan. It's the perfect dress for a date night.
Eh kasi kung may face naman ako ng Bel Mariano, maganda naman lahat ata sa akin.
Grabe naman!
Okay, joke lang. But you know, I've also noticed, parang because of the straps na naka-pearl po siya, Miss Jolette,
Yes.
hindi ko na kailangan mag-pearl necklace.
Absolutely. Yes, we have all these elements, the drapes, the softness, and there's an element of parang asymmetry to it also.
Plus,
Because of
like,
the-
when you look in the front, ang ganda niya. Pero pag nakatalikod, ang
Ay!
ganda niya.
Hindi ko na
Date night talaga.
Wait, I love
Parang,
it. I love it. It's also like, there's so much to look in the front, but also, we give the visual and the back din.
Yes, so you're really put together. Parang gusto mo ng konting pasabog, tatalikod ka. Meron.
Yeah, so you can wear it to date night, but also if you're going to a wedding, this is gonna be
Or
perfect.
dinner with your girls.
Yes.
Or
Or if you want a night out with yourself, diba? Enjoy your holiday.
Oo, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng date actually. You just take yourself out with this dress. Kung may Shein na lang kayo, okay na tayo dyan. And if we're gonna style this also, what would you style this with?
I think I'll go for my shoes now.
Ay, ang ganda ng actually, ang
Nag-match siya with the
ganda.
flower kasi.
Sobrang ganda.
So I would pair it with these shoes. Or I could also go with this.
Also try it.
Yeah. And then, we'll pair it off, of course, with gold bag.
This really looks like a full like wedding guest look.
Yeah.
I love that.
Parang one of the bridesmaids ka or pwede kang
Actually
makita.
true. Yeah, you can do that. super cute. Again, that is our style studio. Thank you so much for getting us more acquainted with all of these looks. We'll invite you here.